Welcome to Concept Academy. Today we are going to discuss the goal of the literature review. So before the goals of the literature review, we overlook the literature review once again. Why we did literature review? It is a earlier and essential steps while we are doing any review because we accumulated a lot of knowledge for our research questions in the applied research questions in all type of the studies. As the other areas of life, it is wise to find out what others have already learned about an issue before you address it on your own. We always find out the previous literature before we address our own research topic or a social phenomena. So don't waste your time reinventing the wheel and remember to do your homework before beginning an endeavor. Okay, so we look at the goals of the literature review. There is a four types. You can say the four goals of the literature review we always do in a research. First, to demonstrate a familiarity with a body of knowledge and establish a credibility. When you do a familiarity or the similarity with your own knowledge, you can establish a credibility. Are you establish a topic? Are you condense of a knowledge? Are you tells a reader that the reader researchers knows the research in areas and knows the major issues. That's all. Are researchers professionally competence, ability, and background to increase a reader's confidence? It is we call the demonstrated familiarity. The second is to show the path of priori research and how a current project is linked to it. Now we will find a path of a researcher how it is current with our own project or our research topics. It is a review outlines. It is a review outlines. It gives the researchers research questions and show the development of knowledge. A good review, a researcher project in a context and demonstrate its relevances by making connections to a body of knowledge. That's so simple. And third one, to homogene into a condensed knowledge and summarize what is known in areas. It integrate with our own research topic and summarize what is known in our area, the area which we have doing the research. We pull we pulls together and synthesizes the different results. A good review point out the area in which the priori studies agrees or disagree. The major questions remain. We find out the major questions. It is a agreed or a disagreed. We created hypotheses. We created research objectives. It collects that what is known by a point in a time and indicates the directions of the future research. It also gives and collects the knowledge. It also indicates the researchers for the future research, what will be done in the upcoming days. If today we are going to agree with something, the COVID-19 bring a lot of uh, changes in our society. Is it agree or disagree? Some people say agree, some are disagree. If I lead my research to agree, maybe it would be a cause for a future for a disagree. It would be. And fourth one, to learn from the others and stimulate new ideas. Fourth is the most important. We learn from other peoples and stimulate new ideas. When we share our ideas with the other peoples, we get new ideas from them. Researchers tells what others have found so, and researchers can believe from the effort of others. That's important. What the researcher, yeah, review tells what others have found so far. A good researcher tells a good article, a good research reporter tells us what we have found and what it also it can benefit for us uh, to do. And another things, a good review identifies the blind alleys and suggests the hypothesis for the replications. So easy procedures, techniques, and researcher designs worth copying so that a researcher can better focus on hypotheses and gain new insights. These are the four literature review goals to understand how to accumulate knowledge and interpretive in your own way, how you generate a new idea, how you summarize and integrate things, and how in which direction you connected or connect your project with these reviews. And the fourth and final is the familiarity with your body of knowledge. Thank you for today. If you do not subscribe my channels, please subscribe my channels for upcoming videos. Thank you.